Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Honda CR-V EX. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, MP3 player, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.